Our team works very hard to provide great service and satisfy everyone. So we love it when they provide feedback in the form of a review. It's great validation that we're on the right track. Great experiences like this one fuel us to maintain the highest level of satisfaction possible. Making everyone happy is our strongest motivation, and we strive to make them happy each and every day. We love reading reviews like this, and we hope it gives you the confidence to use our services in the future. Find out how our thousands of hours of dedication and experience can help you. We would love the opportunity to make you happy too. So why wait? Contact us at the number on your screen today and find out for yourself what everyone's raving about.